That's why I sat back on 2020. The last part, not shooting these videos, but I wanted to give you a quick video, real quick. Just if you guys just to say we actually got merch. Join the team. Actually, it's 99 cents and $5 to join the team to the higher tier part. But I just wanted to give you guys that quick shout out, quick part, and there's going to be a join button right next to the subscribe button to join the team. And actually, there's going to be a lot of perks to it. I'm actually going to do a lot of big things. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, but the goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers and even more by April. There's a lot of big things coming, but I'm gonna let you guys get right into it and get to the unboxing of a dash cam under $20 for the people who want to get a dash cam. It's under $20. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech coming back to you guys with some more tech. And also, we got here, what you just see, a LCD flip screen dash cam, 2.2 inch screen, 270 resolution. So you see it got night mode vision, 720p, which you really don't need a lot this for, and loop recording, and also wide angle lens. This one thing you want to have, actually, for the price of it. Actually, I think that can stay on. That can stay on. But just for the price of it, this is a dash cam under $20. This is what we're going to do on our tech channel. We're going to do a lot of things to help out you guys get something in the price range. For something expensive, you can get in the price range of you. I'm going to be doing a testing on this. A lot of things like that on it. I'm going to be doing that on there. And also, we're going to see how the quality is, and I'm going to upload it on that. So you'll see that on the next video. But right now, we're just going to just unboxing a under $20 dash cam. Yes, under $20 dash cam. I'm not sponsored by anyone. This is just under $20 dash cam. So bear with me. I'm working with one arm, unbox this and everything. So for the front, dashboard, windshield, must flaps seal, easy fold and store when you're not using it. So box comes just like that, with everything on it just like that, right there. I'm probably gonna do a pan through it, show you. So these are the key features right here. Get that to focus, so you guys can see. You want to pause down and look at all the features. The cam, you know, I like the camera there. So let's open this right up, get right into it. So excuse me, I'm only working one arm, so I have to pull with the one arm to get this out. So get this out of here, boy. Oh, this one I'm fighting a little bit. Alright, there we go. Dang, this cord is long. Well, that's actually a good thing, because it's a USB, an old school USB charger. Look at that. Get that to focus. Come on, it's almost in there focusing. There we go. So it's an old USB charger. You got your dash port. You can actually screw it right on your dash, and your part there. Actually, cigarette lighter part. Let's get in here. Let's get this out of here. It looks like it takes some batteries if you need to. Put that to the side. Actually, this thing is kind of small for a dash cam. What you want it to be small, like a fish traveling. But one thing I do like about it, you actually can put batteries in it. Let's see what kind of batteries it uses if you want to use the part in there. So that's actually the power button. Let's get in right into this part. that's the power button, and I guess the launch button. And you can see here, you just open it up to get that little dash cam for it. So down and up menu mode, you got there, and you just have that right on your dash. You can stick that right up there. This is where your USB flap is going to go, right there. And also the other side is where your SD card will go. It looked like it don't come with an SD card with it, so you have to supply an SD card with this. So you can go on like Amazon or anything like that. I'll leave a link below to some decent amount SD cards that can fit in here. It's one of the things, and then this part here. Pretty sure this is where the battery go. I'm only working with one arm, so I'm trying to get this off for you guys. We're gonna fight with this joint now, huh? It's gonna be one of those days. Yeet. Ah, forget it. I ended up getting this thing off, and I actually will show. Oh, never mind. Got it off. So you actually could put a battery in here. I don't know what battery you use, but you can put a battery in it. It actually don't come with a battery, so and maybe that's the reason why it's under $20. But it looked like it have a mic there, so this is a under $20 dash cam. Okay, so you actually get to stick this on there and hook that right up to your dash. I usually tell people put that under your rearview mirror so you get the best accurate video. We're going to test this out, see what it's all about, and see if we like it. To see if this is the best bang for your buck for only under $20. And that's actually pretty good. I don't know what battery you use. I'm gonna have to look up what battery, and I'll probably have to leave it a link. If I don't, I gotta see, because they don't say what battery you use to hook this up. But I'd rather just use the long cord, hook it up. You can run it down your dash around and then hook it up that way. I would do it that way. You could do some special ways that way to hook it up and run it. And also, I will show you a video how it looks set up and everything else. But for the price of it and for this dash cam, it looked like it's made pretty decent, plasticky. Nice little size, little small screen. Power button, and I guess that's a record button. One thing, and then an SD slot. It looked like it takes one of their like camcorders, SD cards that you can put right in there. That's one of the things I could say on that to record, because all the new dash cams have cloud storage and cloud, base. Also, you have more storage on that one, and actually it comes with more options. The higher you go up. I just wanted to test this out, give you guys a little unboxing of a dash cam under $20. We're gonna do more videos, more things like this about dash cams, but you guys let me know. Let's leave a comment below. Tell me your thoughts, what you think about it. Would you buy? If there's something you want to just give a try and as use for the time being, maybe this could be your back dash cam, or this could be your dash cam for the front. I know there's like high-end, top of the line dash cam ones that you could use on that part, and you could use for your part on there. But you guys let me know. Leave a comment below and get into it with a under $20 dash cam. I'm going to give you some more videos on these things, guys. I'm just going to buy some things and test them out, and that's what we're going to do for 2021. We are almost reaching that milestone of 2,000 subscribers. Let's go. If you want to win that PS5, don't forget, I'm going to leave a link up top. Go right to the video. Make sure you comment, hashtag PS5, and you get right into it and you can get it. But on the box, it really don't tell you like what battery or anything like that. Let me see. Actually, Yeah, I don't really say what battery to use, but you could use like a 32 SD card. I'm gonna leave a comment below. Actually a link below to get that SD card. Built-in mic, night vision, loop recording. Actually, that's pretty cool. And also, you could probably get this at the same place I got this. You could also get this. Oh, actually, talking. There's actually more things in it. Actually, I'm sitting there talking crap, and it comes with a battery. Wow. I'm sitting there saying like, oh, I don't come with a battery. And me talking crap, and it comes with a battery. Wow. Actually, okay. This is the battery. Let me get into there. Let me get that to focus for you guys. It comes with a 500 milliamp battery for this one. Let's actually install that real quick since we got it all. Let's see if it boots up. I'm sitting there talking crap, but actually for $20, okay, you come with a camera, you come with an SD card too. Nah, you gotta get that, but it comes with the directions and modification stuff right there on it. Okay, crack it out. Let's get the battery in. Okay, come with a battery. Okay. We'll see if we can get a first boot up or something. Actually, we can. Actually, you can see right there the way the dash cam works. Let me get that to focus. So you can see the dash cam doing this thing. So I mean, for the side, for the way it look, I mean the screen ain't giving no justice. I just hit up. What happened? Oh, okay. No SD card, but oh, you could do 1080p resolution. Okay, so you could do 1080p. Screensaver time on there. Okay, and also you can charge this battery, so if you don't need to have it plugged in all the time, but okay. Change the language. Not touchscreen, but for what it is, that's actually pretty decent. I'm sitting there talking crap on them, like, I don't got no battery for it. So we get to see what this button is for right here, the white button. No SD card in there, so you can't hit record. So that basically you can start recording when you drive. You can just hit that and like it'll start recording your whole time you drive, and then when you're done, you can just turn it off. And that is the power button right there to turn it right off. Actually, okay, for under 15 bucks. I mean, under $20, it's not bad. For a little dash cam, and it comes with, I was talking crap saying it had no battery, but it had a battery right in there. But you guys, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, like I said before, it's your boy IC Street Tech. We're going to do big things for you guys this year. We got more stuff coming. We got cars, we got tech, we got gaming. Don't forget to watch me and my brother. We play a lot of Call of Duty, so don't forget to stay tuned and watch that and follow me on Twitch. And merch is on the way, so we do have shirts and everything already. So if you check my Instagram, you can see the shirts and hoodies, and you guys let me know. Leave a comment below. And if you join the team, there's going to be a button right down here to say join. And I have a 99 cent. It's just 99 cents to join. And you also got a $5 a month. You could just join, and also you get free stuff, giveaway. And I'm going to do stuff behind the scenes for you guys and giveaways behind the scenes for you guys. So the only loyal fans I'm going to be doing giveaways on you. So the PS5 is, natural right now. But I'm doing a second PS5 giveaway just for the fans, whoever joins. So if you join and join the Tech Squad, you are getting a PS5 giveaway for you guys. And I'm going to do multiple things for you guys. Like I said before, this is just a camera, dash cam, under $20. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.